Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create PowerPoint presentation for beginner. Okay, so I'm going to show you easy way you can create the presentation. In PowerPoint, guys, there is a lots of tools you can use, but I will show you the easy way you can make the powerful and good looking presentation in PowerPoint. Okay, so here I am already open my PowerPoint. So here you can see you can take the new, or you can open your saved PowerPoint file from here, or you can also see the recent file you have edited or open. So I take the new. I can take the black presentation, or you can see there is a lots of themes. Microsoft PowerPoint suggests us you can take this present pamphlets or templates, or you can edit it. So I just take blank one. So the by default one will become here one slide, or there is a by default some text box will become. I need to delete it. Okay, so here one slide only, so I can insert the new set from here. Okay, I can also copy this slide if you want to copy the same slide with another. Okay, so you can see now I have three size slide. I just add new one. Okay, you can also change layout from here. Okay, if you want different layout, you can change layout. Okay, so this is for only layout. This is for image, text, header. Okay, I just undo it. When you right click, there is a many option. You can reset slide, you can change here, you can change the format background, you can change the background colors also of slides. Okay, you can make transparency, whatever you want you can do. Okay, so here I show you how you can insert image. Go to the insert image, go to the picture, and here you can insert picture from your computer. Okay, this picture I just drag the picture. So I will show you the this is I will show you to insert three objects and show you how you can edit. The first object is image, and second object I will show you I will insert the text. Go to the text box. I can insert the text box like okay. And third object I will insert the shape. So there is a many shape you can use for your presentation. Okay, I just use this one. Okay, so there is a three object: one image, text, and shape. So how you can edit everything? So whenever you insert any object in your presentation on any slide, just select the object by clicking on, and you will see the one option will become a format. Just click on it, and you will see all tools related to this object. So I select the image, though you can see the all tools I can use for this image. I can change set I can bring backward, I can send backward, forward. So if you have two image, so you can use this. Okay, you can send this particular image backward or forward. There's a picture border you can change if you want. You can change the picture reflection or whatever you want. You can change the picture borders, picture styles. You can reset picture, change the picture. You can compress the picture, you can change the color of picture, what we want. Okay, so picture color has been changed. So just undo this. Same thing, whatever object you select, I select the text. You have to select text like this. Just double click and select the text, go to the format, and here you can change anything with text. Okay, outline, text file, text effect. Okay, same for the objects. Okay, you can create objects and anything. So you have to do, so you this for beginners. So there is many tools you can use like animation and all. So if you want to learn PowerPoint presentation, you can subscribe me, and I hope you like this video. Okay, so if you want to save this, you can save as a PowerPoint file, or if you want to save as a PDF, you can go to the save as, go to the browse, and here you can select the format. If you want to just save as a PDF, go to the PDF and go to the save. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.